Welcome to physics class. Question number 15. Two lamps, one rated 100 watt at 220 volt and other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to the electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volts? According to question, P1 is 100 watt and P2 is 60 watt. Potential difference 220 volt. In parallel combination of the lamp's total power consumed is given by P, which is equal to P1 plus P2. P1 is 100, P2 is 60. So total power will be 160 watt. We know that P is equal to VI and we have to calculate current. I is equal to P upon V. Power is 160. Potential difference is 220. 16 upon 22. When we solve this, answer will be 0.72 ampere because this is current. So it will be the answer. Question 16. Which uses more energy? A 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? Energy used by a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour. W equal to P into T. Let us fill the values. Power is 250 watt and time is 1 hour. So answer is 250 watt hour. Energy used by a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. Time is given in minutes. We have to convert it into hour. Time 10 minutes. We can calculate it by dividing with 60. It will be 1 by 6 hour. So W is equal to PT again. Power is 1200. Time is 1 by 6. It will be 200 watt hour. In case of the TV set, it is 250 watt hour. In case of the toaster, it is 200 watt. So, a 250 watt TV set consumes more energy in 1 hour. Question 17. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the service mains 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. Current I, that is 15 ampere, resistance R 8 ohm. Rate at which heat is produced, that is power. We have to calculate. As we know, P is equal to I square R. Let us fill the value. 15 square into R is 8. It is 225 into 8 in turn, which is equal to 1800 watt. We have calculated power. Question 18. Explain the following. A part. Why is tungsten used almost exclusively for filament of incandescent lamps? Tungsten is an alloy. As such, it has a high resistivity and very high melting point. Therefore, it is used exclusively in filament of electric lamps. B part. Why are the conductors of electric heating devices such as bread toasters and electric irons made of alloy rather than a pure metal? Alloys have high resistivity and high melting point as compared to pure metals of which they are made. Therefore, they are used as heating elements. Part C. Why is the series arrangement not used for domestic circuits? In case of series arrangement, if one electrical appliance fails in the circuit, the entire circuit will be switched off. Thus, series arrangement is not used in household electrical circuits. Part D. How does the resistance of a wire vary with its area of cross section? Resistance of a wire varies inversely to the cross sectional area. Resistance to the flow of current through a wire is due to the opposition offered by the atoms of the conductor to the electrons. If the area of cross section is large, electrons have more space to move. This decreases the number of collisions taking place, hence resistance get reduced. E part. Why are copper and aluminium wire usually employed for electrical or electricity transmissions? Copper and aluminium wires possess low resistivity and as such they are generally used for electricity transmission. Thank you for watching.